How were Europe's early steam engines engineered for industry? Imagine a time when factories relied on water wheels and manual labor, and suddenly, a new kind of power changed everything. That's the story of how Europe's early steam engines were built to transform industry. It all started with a simple idea: find a way to use steam to do work. The first successful steam engine was created around 1712 by Thomas Newcomen. His engine was mainly used to pump water out of deep mines, which was a huge problem in mining regions like Britain. It used low-pressure steam to create a vacuum inside a cylinder. As steam condensed, atmospheric pressure pushed a piston down, moving a beam that powered the pump. This design was heavy and used a lot of coal, but it was a real breakthrough because it allowed miners to go deeper underground. Later, in the late 1700s, James Watt made major improvements. He added a separate condenser that kept the main cylinder hot, saving fuel and making the engine more efficient. Watt also invented a way to turn the pistons up and down motion into rotary motion, which meant the engine could power machines in factories, not just pumps. This was a game-changer because it allowed factories to run machines like spinning jennies and metal presses. By the early 1800s, steam engines were popping up all over Europe in countries like Belgium, France, Germany, and the Netherlands. They were built in different sizes, from small engines for workshops to huge ones for factories. Engineers kept pushing the limits by increasing pressure and power. For example, William McNaught in the 1840s made engines that could operate at higher pressures, producing more work with less fuel. The biggest leap came in 1880 for when Charles Parsons invented the steam turbine. This new machine turned steam energy into rotary motion more efficiently and at higher speeds. It was first used in ships, making marine travel faster and more reliable. Throughout the 19th century, steam engines powered everything from mines and textile mills to trains and ships. They helped industries grow rapidly and changed the way Europeans worked and traveled. Over time, engineers focused on making these engines more powerful, more efficient, and adaptable to different jobs. Starting as simple pumps for mines, they evolved into complex machines that fueled the entire industrial revolution. Their development was a story of continuous improvement, driven by the need for more power and better efficiency, shaping Europe's modern industrial landscape.